I'm about to walk you through why and how I use compression and EQ. So this plugin right here is just for loudness. Basically, I got the gate disabled. I'm about to go through. I'm about to play what I got right now, and I'm gonna show y'all how I can make it sound good with just 3 plugins.
I remember the times, the loss, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights. Guess I was blind. Yeah. I remember the times, the lies, the crying. I remember the nights.
Alright, so we're gonna start on some compression.
I remember the times, the loss, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights. Guess I was blind. Yeah. I remember the times, the lies, the crime.
And all I did was push it until it all sounded glued together. That's what the LA2A is really good at. It's good at just taking vocals and mashing them down. So now I'm gonna use this EQ. I'm gonna sweep for bad frequencies.
I remember the times, the lies, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights. Guess I was blind. Yeah. I remember the times, the lies, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights, the violence. I remember the times, the loss, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights. Guess I was blind. Yeah. I remember the times, the lies, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights, the violence. I remember the times, the loss, the crying. I remember the nights.
Now I'm gonna use the SSL, not only to gate it, just to sweeten the vocals, get the EQ back going, and just make it sound whole.
I remember the times, the lies, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights. Guess I was blind. Yeah. I remember the times, the lies, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights, the violence. I remember the times, the loss, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights. Guess I was blind. Yeah. I remember the times, the lies, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights, the violence.
And in 3 plugins, that's how you can make something sound done.
I remember the times, the lies, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights. Guess I was blind. Yeah. I remember the times, the lies, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights, the violence.
This is without.
I remember the times, the loss, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights. Guess I was blind. Yeah. I remember the times, the lies, the crying. I remember the nights, the fights, the violence.
And it's that easy. 3 plugins, almost a full mix. You just gotta know what to do with your tools.